This year, the Royal Air Force has once again been working alongside its partners in Romania as part of NATO's enhanced air policing mission.
Our relationship with the Romanians, both here and wider, has been excellent. The Romanians have been very welcoming, been very keen to help. I think we both get why we're here, the enhanced air policing. We're not here doing it instead of them, we're doing it with them. And we're here to learn from each other. And both sides have been very receptive and very keen to work together, and it's been very successful.
The Royal Air Force has conducted 3 Operation BILOXIs. This is the 3rd in 2017, 2018 and now here in 2021. The footprint of 4 Eurofighter Typhoons has been the same, and we complement the already existing Romanian quick reaction alert capability. So we are adding to the capability, we're not replacing it.
Wing Commander Lamping says it's been a rewarding challenge to bring together all the elements to make it a successful mission.
I wanted to be the commanding officer because it's something different. I've never done it before. I deployed to Eastern Europe doing enhanced air policing, and the challenge as well of bringing all the different disparate people together and delivering an operational output. The current deployment to BILOXI is approximately 180 personnel taken from across the RAF. There hasn't been any significant changes really from when we first did it, but during that time we have learned lessons and modified how we operate, the sort of people we come out with, and hopefully to provide the best capability that we can.
In terms of the genesis of Operation BILOXI, the task has stayed quite similar. The composition of who we send and what we send and how we tell people about what we do, which is as important as the flying mission itself, that has changed subtly, but people who came here in 2017 would recognise that this is the same task in 2021 and going forwards for our detachment that we're planning in 2022.
For Squadron Leader Grady, the 2021 deployment is a continuation of the great work RAF personnel have put in over the years.
The Royal Air Force was already involved in the Baltic air policing role in Šiauliai in Lithuania, and the UK has always been at the forefront in the alliance of seeing where the strategic threat may lie and then responding to that. So the Royal Air Force, first in the Baltic air policing sphere, enhancing that, and then when the task started in Romania in 2017, Royal Air Force were the first to do that role in what we call BILOXI for the UK.
The RAF contribution to Operation BILOXI is part of a wider and far-reaching NATO plan on land, sea and in the air to be more agile and flexible.
NATO assurance measures are a series of measures agreed by the North Atlantic Council, which is the group of ministers or group of leaders from across the alliance who meet to decide NATO policy and which direction the alliance is going. So as part of that, from 2014 onwards at a summit, they agreed that NATO would put a series of forces on the ground and on the sea, and in the air, so enhanced air policing, enhanced forward presence, which is ground forces, and the standing NATO maritime groups would have a bigger posture in the Baltics and in the Black Sea. In addition to that, there were other measures to change NATO and make it more agile and flexible, particularly in its command and control and its ability to respond to any crisis the alliance might face and any country within the alliance might face. And when those countries called for assistance, there were already troops and/or aircraft pre-positioned to be able to respond to any crisis that NATO faced.
Wing Commander Lamping says that RAF personnel should be proud that their hard work and efforts are making a difference.
I think our biggest achievement is we've delivered everywhere where we've been asked to. We've delivered on quick reaction alerts, fulfilling our enhanced air policing. In other weeks we've worked very closely with our American and other NATO allies on the ground. We've also worked very closely with Dutch and Royal Navy ships at sea. So we've consistently delivered so far.
And all the hard work done on Operation BILOXI has really laid the foundations for a truly multinational approach both in the air and on the ground.
So there's a long-term aspiration for the Typhoon or Eurofighter nations to be able to work together very seamlessly, whether that's on the ground with their engineering of the aircraft and the maintenance of it, or in the air. In many ways, working together in the air is the easiest part that we've been doing for many, many years. And the work we're doing with the Germans over the next few weeks is the next iteration on that, when we hope to be flying together, armed sorties together, doing QRA here at MK Air Base. The final intent is that the a mixed German and UK contingent can deploy on enhanced air policing, whether it's here in Romania or in the Baltics, and have a completely mixed deployment, working together, operating together and delivering quick reaction alerts as part of enhanced air policing.
The 4 Typhoon fighters have now returned to their home base at RAF Lossiemouth in northeast Scotland after the 4-month-long deployment. Alongside Typhoons from RAF Coningsby in Lincolnshire, they continue to protect the skies above the United Kingdom. 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.